Jellyfish stings are a common occurrence, especially in coastal areas where jellyfish are more prevalent. Whilst most jellyfish stings are not life-threatening, they can be very painful and require immediate first aid treatment. There are several different types of jellyfish, and the particular first aid treatment for jellyfish stings will depend on the jellyfish involved. Different species are only found in certain oceans or countries. We'll now look at some common types of jellyfish and the appropriate first aid treatment for each. Box jellyfish are among the most venomous jellyfish in the world. Their sting can cause severe pain, difficulty breathing, and in severe cases, cardiac arrest. If you know someone who's been stung by a box jellyfish, the first step is to remove any tentacles that are still attached to the skin. This can be done using tweezers, a credit card, or other tool that will not cause more venom to be released. Then immerse the affected area in hot water, as hot as the person can tolerate, for 20 to 45 minutes to help neutralize the venom. Seek medical attention immediately. The Portuguese man-of-war is a type of jellyfish that has long tentacle-like stinging arms. The sting can cause intense pain and swelling. To treat a sting from Portuguese man-of-war, first remove any tentacles that are still attached to the skin using tweezers or a similar tool, and then rinse the affected area with seawater, not fresh water, and apply vinegar to help neutralize the venom. Avoid rubbing the area, as this can cause more venom to be released. Apply a cold pack or immerse the affected area in cold water to help reduce pain and swelling. Seek medical attention if necessary. Moon jellyfish have short, delicate tentacles that can cause a mild to a moderate sting. The sting can cause pain, redness, and swelling at the site of the sting. To treat moon jellyfish stings, first remove any of the tentacles that are still attached to the body using tweezers or a similar tool, then rinse the affected area in seawater, not fresh water, apply vinegar to help neutralize the venom, or avoid rubbing the area as this can cause more venom to be released, and apply a cold pack or immerse the area in cold water to reduce pain and swelling. If the symptoms persist or are severe, seek medical attention. Sea nettles are a type of jellyfish that have long, stinging tentacles. The sting can cause pain, redness, and swelling at the site of the sting. To treat a sea nettle sting, first remove any tentacles that are still attached to the body using tweezers or a similar tool, then rinse the affected area in seawater, not fresh water, apply vinegar to help neutralize the venom. Avoid rubbing the area and apply a cold pack or immerse the area in cold water to help reduce the pain and reduce swelling. If the symptoms persist or severe, seek medical attention.